Hi, my name's Lisa, and this is my sister Lana, and we are with two sisters and their mom's cookbook. And today we're going to make homemade noodles, and we're going to show you how easy it is to do with a food processor and a manual pasta machine. So I have everything measured out. I have a food processor here. I'm going to put in 2 cups of flour, a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 eggs, a 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And you're supposed to use warm water, but I'm using beet juice to give the noodles just a little bit of color. So let me just pour a little bit into this because you only put in as needed. Usually it's 2 tablespoons to a 1/4 cup. What I'm going to do is that. You just want to add it, and eventually it'll roll right up into a ball. Okay, it's getting ready to turn into a ball, form into a ball, and then I'm going to take it out, and we're going to roll them out, and this is, you know, when we were younger, our grandmother used to make these by hand, and it took her all day to make the dough, roll it out. We would hang them over chairs, we would hang them anywhere we could, but now we have this trusty okay, this noodle. Is good. It didn't go into a ball, but it doesn't matter as long as it's at the right texture. So what I do then is get it in one big ball and then separate it into 4. And look how pretty the color is. So I'm going to put it into a ball and then divide it into quarters. So half. And now Lana's going to show you how the noodles are made. Okay, so you just put a little bit of flour on them. I just put it like that. And then we have this great noodle maker here that just you put it in, and there are this thing has like numbers on the side of it, and we do it the noodles twice in the one. Does that make sense? Yeah, they're numbered 1 through 6 for the thickness or thinness of the noodle. So we just put it on number 1, went through twice. Now we're going to put it on number 2 twice. No, 3. Oh, 3 times? No, number 3 twice. Number 3 twice, okay. We haven't done this. It's been a while. Now, when Lisa and I were younger and we used to make these, we used to put like twice as much dough in here and just roll them out across the kitchen. And they would get so long. The kitchen. So we've learned that it's easier. Oh, you still have that. Well, what do you think? Well, let's just go. Okay, one more time. They did come out a really pretty color. They did, yeah. Okay, so then you just take the handle off. Put it over here. The fettuccine noodles are. You can also make spaghetti noodles. Right. And then I'm going to... whoops. Okay. You're supposed to be over here helping me. I know. My fingers fell apart here. Look at that. Those really turned out nice. They did turn out nice. And this is just a wood rack to hang them on. Oh, those are beautiful. Yes, they are. And see how easy they came out? And I just like to separate them just a little bit. Now, do we want to just do another one into the, like, spaghettini to show how thin? And you can do lasagna. You can get all kinds of fixtures for this to make, you know, any kind of pasta or, what am I thinking? Rigatoni. Not rigatoni. Ravioli, lasagna. You just wouldn't put it through the noodle cutter. Right. So we're going to do one more of those. And then what I did, since we had leftover, I needed just a little bit of beet juice, I made pickled eggs. And all it is 2 cans of beets, 2 cans of water, a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of sugar, some pickle juice, and just to give you an idea, this has been in here for 2 days. You usually like to keep it for like 4 days at least, but those have really gotten dark, and they are delicious. And you can make beautiful deviled eggs with these as well. Right. All right. We're almost ready here. So they got skinny in the middle. But now I'm going to do this one twice for the spaghetti noodles so they're thinner. So for Valentine's Day, if you wanted pink noodles, could do this for spaghetti or for fettuccine, Alfredo, or for any kind of a dish with noodles. Let's see, we whip these up in 5 minutes, which used to take, whoops, and that does happen.
at those. How pretty they
Spaghetti
are.
noodles.
They are beautiful. The color came out. These came out beautiful.
And usually you just use the water, but you could use any kind of juice from
Carrot juice, beet juice, spinach juice.
And it would they
and it'll come out that color. Okay, and that's all there is to it.
So thanks for watching, and
we'll see you in our next video.